Hey guys, so you might have noticed that we're in a different project, and that's because I was like, let's use guns. But also yesterday I started a project, or I started doing 3D animation. So yeah, I started a project, and I was doing 3D animation. I'm not sure why it's not here, but if I hit add, let's go to my test. My games, 3D animation, and hit select folder. Oh, there. So now it's here. But I'm just gonna be show. So I had some. Actually, no. But all it did was have a cube, and it spun and got bigger and smaller. But then stuff happened. But yeah. So just gonna close that. But here I got a basic gun asset off of the asset store. I actually like had it online on the online one here, and then went back into the editor and did some stuff, which I'm gonna add. Whatever. Wait, window asset store. There. So now that's there, but I don't really need it. This is the folder it gave me. It's called Modern Gun Hand underscore handgun. There's some demo stuff here, and when you just have to go to prefabs, active guns, and both of these guns automatically have an animator and a simple shoot function, so they automatically work. And all I did was I put the handgun underneath a capsule, so it's the child, so it moves according to the position. And now we shoot cubes and stuff. So, in today's video, we're just going to be copying the enemy, and, well, let's get started. Copy, and then we're just going to paste, paste, paste. Wait, can I just... Okay, now there's 15 total, because there's this plus this, but I'm going to save the scene, right click here, and game object, create an empty game object, and then call this enemies, and go here, select this, and then show, oops, and drag them all under there. And now, when I minimize that, ooh, well, now it's much cleaner. I'm just gonna rename this to ground, save it again, and, well, we need to go to the scene view, so they're like all over the place, but we're just gonna pull them out. I don't know why they're glitching white, but let's just get our enemies, and, oh, so they're all overlapping there. Let's just pull, whoopsie, pull them around. That's rotation. Let's just reset the transform, and then, what, oh, set y to 0.5, we go here, and set y to 0. That changes it so that all of them have it now. Where do we leave off? 9, 10, oh, 9, so pull 9 out, pull 10 out, 11, what's this? Oh, come on. And there. So now we have all these. And if we go into the game view, maximize this, maximize the whole window, hit play, I move around, they all follow you, and, well, this is looking pretty awesome. So, let's get shooting. And they're all dead. But that's kind of how the game would work. Let me unmaximize that. Well, that's the end of today's video now. And yes, make sure to subscribe and like and hit the bell icon, because tomorrow is my birthday, and I'm definitely gonna have a video on that, and you don't want to miss it. So just make sure you do all these. What do you say we get back on with the video? So let's go to our player, and let's up the forward force to like 230 on everything. Which, this, I actually just copied a script from a video that Brackies made, and I put it in my game, and I used it. Even though I made my own copy of it, and then I used his copy, technically, yeah, but stuff, long story, doesn't matter. So now let's see how it is with that. Oh geez, oh geez. Well, yeah, so currently they don't hurt you if they come in contact with you. Oh shoot, what happened to the, what the, not sure what just happened to the gun. Um, let's click on our handgun. Mm, Cube 1. What the? Okay, now that's gone. So, did it fix that? Was that the problem? Or when we move around, is it still gonna, yo, yo, yo? What? I don't, what is, why is doing this? What happens with the handgun? Heck. Can I delete this? Just take that away, and no wait, can undo that. We don't want this, we just want shooting. Let's, does that fix it, you know, like, ooh, let's go, what's this? Entry, do we also want, how do we, how that, what, how do you connect this to make, no, no, yeah, there. So, does that fix something? Okay, so now I broke it. I don't really know how to do any of this. Maybe we should put idle. Let's keep going back until idle. There. So it goes to idle and then to shooting. I don't know how to work those kinds of complicated animation maps. Oh, this thing shoots more than once? No. Yes, yes. So it looks like we fixed it. But, and we didn't. Ooh, I know, let's click on our, no, no, no. On the, let's see, let's play animation. Jesus Lord, it's so fast. Oh, those are at the second marks. So, but I'm not sure why then it starts spinning. So after enough move, oh Jesus. Where'd the, now it's just go. Oh, there it is. Wait, now it's spinning. What does the handgun have? It has a transform, an animator, and a simple shoot. Why is it, like, moving? Let's try not hitting enemies and see what happens. Because right now I am honestly more than confused. So if we just shoot off into the distance as they come after us. Okay, does it do that? Oh shoot! Did we just fall off? Oh good, we don't use gravity. So what the? No, 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 no! Stop spinning! Stop! Yeah, yeah, yeah. Shoot, shoot, shoot. So intimidating, yet they do nothing. Well, that's gonna wrap up today's video. Make sure you go down below to the merch store. Definitely make sure you subscribe for tomorrow, and I'll see you next time.